Hello, welcome to the present moment. Here and now, here and now. In this bountiness, I am, and I am is always present beyond the physical presence. I am is, and I am is with the present moment. So right now I am is with this bountiness. How can we describe it? There is no need. Just be with this moment. Be receptive. Listen. Smell. See. So much aliveness. When you are open to see, you can only see when you are present. Listen. You can only listen when you are in this moment. Smell. So much of aliveness. And many of my recordings, or mostly I talk without any topic, and that is when in the no mind stage, in the not knowing stage, the true knowing appears on the surface. So when I let go of myself, the real true self emerges, and the knowledge, or whatever comes on the surface, it comes from whole, from depth. It has its own beauty. It may be knowledge, it may be like nothing, no knowledge. From the mind perspective, it may be very ordinary stuff talking, but it is always, it is beautiful. It is like the fragrance of flower, and you feel light when you, like the clouds, they water and they are unburdened, they feel light, they become light, and that is their delight also. So yeah, I wanted to say that look at this nature, and I feel that it's all me. And if I say from the practical point of view, I own nothing, means it's not my land, but I feel that I'm so blessed to have all this without owning anything. There is no need to purchase anything, and you have everything. Wow, you have everything. The open sky, right now it is cloudy, so the sky, these clouds, these trees, these mountains, this valley. And when I was living in city, I have experienced both kind of living. So there is, it is more kind of business. You own this house and this apartment, but right now I own nothing, and I have feeling that I'm one with everything. So the true richness is not in owning, not in possession. The true richness is already, it is. You are born with true richness. And it is not okay to say born. You are always rich. This is who you are. What I am missing, what I am missing. If you ask your mind, there will be always non-ending supply of answers, and nothing can quench mind, because when the mind is satisfied, it is no more. So the mind doesn't want to satisfy itself. Ask your heart, ask your being. And when you ask your being, that is, you go to the depth, and you feel that this moment is enough, this moment is the ultimate. Wherever you are, I'm not saying about where I am here. The here and now is a universal concept. I am is universal. It is about the universal I am and about universal present moment. Yeah, sometimes you want to stay here and now, sometimes you want to move away. Yeah, but this moment is as it is. Acknowledge, accept. If it is possible, then enjoy, rejoice, celebrate, have some dance here, have some meditation, some fun here, or just sit and meditate here, or just move away. But the journey is endless, and we have to respect the present moment, irrespective of whatever form it takes place. And it is not from mind, miss. It happens by its own. You are somewhere, and suppose have to move away, because that is not ideal from the mind perspective. Then you will move away by its own. There is some deeper wisdom which is beyond mind. You will move away if you have to move away. These trees are so still right now, means it is kind of hypnotizing if I am totally here. It is all about mind and no mind. When you are free from mind, you are happy. Happy means unconditionally happy. When you are free of mind, and when you are identified with mind, you are not, I am not. I feel like looking at this tree in front of me, that it's like meditating a word and embracing its unique presence. Every tree is different. Accepting, celebrating, meditating in its unique presence. Rain comes, it enjoys rain, sunlight, then it enjoys sunlight. If nothing is there, then it enjoys itself, stillness. There is no kind of complaint. So we can sense the presence when we look at nature. And in our life, we are like when rain comes or sunlight comes or kind of love opens doors, we are not present. We are somewhere, somewhere in our stories. So it has been said when God opens door and God never finds you because we are busy somewhere and God is here and now, here and now, here and now. So these gaps are so important. At least if I say from the practical point of view, and I keep on saying that have some comfortable time if it is possible, at least open your window and try to get in tune with the present moment when it is good, when it is comfortable, and embrace and accept and be. It may be a nature walk if you are inside your house nowadays, just inside your house, watching empty sky or doing some stuff, totally present. Decide for half an hour whatever you are doing or just being. Be here and now. Move or act carrying the stillness, carrying here and now, here and now. Become here and now and carry here and now is the mantra. Here and now. Many times we feel that there are so many problems here and now, and I also feel we have to solve them. Again, we are thinking from mind, and if we are in depth in no mind stage, then the no mind has more profound answers to our so-called problems. The solution is here and now. It has been said. The solutions are here. Where the problems are, solutions are. So just rest means relax, ease, enter into no mind, enter into present moment, and do your stuff. Eating, cooking, cleaning, exercising, be present. You will be supplied whatever necessary answers you need. Trust the process. Trust this moment. Trust something profound beyond mind. We don't trust. That's the problem. We try to solve everything by our own. So in that stage, we are closed. We are in our own. We are not open. Then how can the light in the form of knowledge, we say, or some intuitions can enter? Because we are closed. And it will come. It will come to your mind. We say it is intuition, hunches. So these gaps are important. These gaps, at least half an hour of gap is also very beautiful. Yeah, it is raining a little bit. So half an hour of gap, it may be a nature walk or just meditating. Pure gap, pure entering into no mind stage. And you are flooded with pure energy, pure prana, pure lightness. So it has been also, I feel that it has been said also, when you have some problem and you're thinking too much, go for a walk. And I can understand that nowadays walking may not be possible. So go for a walk, nature walk, just pure walk, or do something, physically do something where you are totally present. You are one with the process. It may be anything, it may be dance, it may be playing, it may be being with your loved one. Earlier it has been said, go for shopping, or at least window shopping. Just walk and go through. And you will feel light, you will feel good because you are present. And lots of the problems, they are actually just in the head. They are not real, they are not practical. We are just thinking unnecessary stuff. Look at the nature. Every tree is unique. Every tree has unique presence. Every human is unique. But we try to copy other, we try to follow other. Follow yourself, the real self, in whichever way it want to flower. Follow that. Wow. So it is a journey, and goalless journey. And somewhere you may have seen in text, ancient text, or some pictures, religious pictures, some path going to heaven. So it feels like this path going to heaven, towards sky, and it is like towards heaven. And the heaven is, if there is heaven, heaven is here and now. If there is heaven in the future, then it has to start from now, this moment. maybe invisible in this moment, then so it is. Heaven is here and now. And if you can embrace, if I can embrace the heaven here and now, here and now, here and now, then it manifests in the future, practically also. So sometimes the conditions are not good, means in the outer world right now, and we are like perplexed what to do inside house, and I'm lucky I'm free, blessed. So sometimes maybe you are needed in those conditions so that you can be present there, and you can, in your light, in your presence, in your delight, you can light and delight the outer world wherever you are. Your presence may be needed right now. Our presence, it may be not a walking present, it may be sitting, meditation, inside house, just being, watching breath, or just in a no mind stage and relaxing in no mind stage, maybe listening to fan or just being, just pure stillness, pure awareness. That may be required right now for this whole global transformation for better. Yeah, so that's why then we can meditate. Otherwise, we would have done lots of stuff outside and a lot of business, a lot of traveling here and there. But it may be the time for stillness, meditation, silence, bliss, pure vibration, upliftment of frequencies, love, deeper love, that is unconditional, that is directing to all sides, and that may be the requirement. So I'm here walking. So I'm walking, I'm not moving anywhere. I'm just, today is a rainy day, so moving, walking with no goal, goalless journey, and carrying the here and now, here and nowness, here and now, here and now. This moment is goal. So carrying my goal, this moment is goal, this moment is who I am, this moment is who I am. I am whole, nothing excluded. I am this moment is one with whole. I am whole. Where I am moving, nowhere. There is wholeness, oneness. I am in oneness, I am in wholeness. So in fact, I am not moving. I am here and now, always here and now. So when I have good feeling, openness for here and now, it is like I am in great relationship with whole, with earth and sky, with all the galaxies, because all is one. All is one. Oh, All is one. I'm reaching nowhere, or I'm reaching here and now. I cannot go to other side, other shore, because there is none. There is only this shore. Like religiously, we believe that we have to go to some other world. Only this world. And yes, your presence, your meditation, your presence, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your so-called richness, outer material stuff, doesn't really matter. Your presence, your love, your being, your grace, your relaxation, your watchfulness. When you watch something with eyes of presence, then it is like you are spreading love vibe. Transformation happens by its own. And it has been said, not only said, practically has been seen that when you are for the crops, grains crops, that or for the trees, when you attend them with love, with care, or some music, good music, and you are or meditating into their direction, then they grow more, they get more nourishment, they flower more, they give more crops, more fruits, they become more nurtured, more healthy, strong. Okay. I move from one branch to other branch. What I'm talking, I don't know. It's complete fog right now. Complete fog. So I think this is it. And nowadays, take care of your health. It is so important. We are on the side of road now. Yeah, take care of your health. Try to have alkaline diet, more of fruits, vegetables, herbs, salads, warm water. Take care of your health. Try to have access to more sunlight, fresh air, sunlight, less of heavy food, heavy grain, heavy cereals, heavy food not require nowadays, and exercise and exercise. Yeah, so right now I'm on the roadside. Yes, so take care of your physical health, mental health. Don't have to listen to unnecessary stuff which is not good, means not good for your health, not good for your immunity, fear-based news, And that's it. Oh, this is it. Nothing to add more. Nothing can be added. You are whole.